Hey everybody, it's Colleen and Maury coming to you from the Palm Harbor Home Show for 2020, where we're showing you all the brand new houses and great features that we have here at Palm Harbor for the upcoming year. And I'm not supposed to have favorites, so don't tell anybody, but we're standing here in the Lago Mira. It's kind of my favorite because I love it when our guys who build the houses come up with something I've never seen before. And I could tell from the minute I opened the door, this house has a floor plan like I've never seen before. It's technically a single wide. It's just 16 feet wide, and it does come in 18 wide. It's 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. But as a single wide, when you walk up, it has a full covered porch. It has a recessed entryway for you. It has an electric fireplace when you first come in that just gives off so much warmth. And then you step into this kitchen, which is like no kitchen we have. It's got a full bar over here with these glorious windows. If you have a lake view or a mountain view, anything, eating breakfast here at this little nook is amazing. Then we have our full galley kitchen this way. And then again, down here, we have another sit-down eating area. And then the master bedroom and the bathroom, the colors in there are to die for. It's got a lot of the same features and that you've seen in some of our larger houses, but they've scaled it back in size a little bit, and it's all of that's packed in here. And the colors, they brought in some new colors. The blue in this bedroom is to die for. And again, this home will be available from any of the Palm Harbor locations in Texas, in Oklahoma, and in New Mexico. And I gotta tell you, I'm in love. I may just go buy a lake lot just to put this house on it. Again, look at these counters. You've got the great farm sink here. It's got the black faucet. It's got so many things, but on this right here on the eating area, this is metal. This is actually metal, and it gives it such a clean, crisp, rustic, but not rustic, very modern. I feel kind of like I'm in a loft area. It's got great flooring. This is going to clean up so well, not show any tracks. It's got the mini subway tile and glass over here. Everything in this house just pops. It's so clean. You're gonna love it. So check us out, take the link below, and then come visit us and ask about the Lago Mira if you think this house will work for you. Thanks again for joining us on our little mini pre-tour of the new homes you're gonna see at Palm Harbor for 2020. And check us out at www.palmharbor.com.